How to fix WhatsApp error, something went wrong with your chat history on Android device. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your settings, or you can also tap and hold your WhatsApp app and then go to its app info. Now go to its storage section and then tap on clear cache. The next step is go to Play Store. Simply search for WhatsApp, and then if there is an update button instead of this open button, simply tap on it and get the latest version of WhatsApp. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.